Precise tightening protects bike components, improves safety, and ensures consistent performance during maintenance, upgrades, and trailside repairs. Best Torque Wrench for bikes helps riders apply accurate torque, prevent damage, and maintain manufacturer's specifications across road, gravel, and mountain setups reliably. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. LEXIVON Torque Wrench. The LEXIVON Torque Wrench is a precision-focused bike tool designed for riders and mechanics who want confidence when tightening critical components. With a torque range of 2 to 26 Newton-meters and fine 0.2 Newton-meter micro-adjustments, it allows accurate control for everything from delicate carbon parts to tougher bolts. The dual-direction capability ensures reliable readings in both clockwise and counterclockwise use, backed by a calibration certificate for added trust. Its 72-tooth ratchet head delivers smooth operation in tight spaces, while the quick-release mechanism makes bit changes fast and secure. Durability is another strong point, thanks to the chrome molybdenum steel construction and corrosion-resistant electro-black finish. The knurled aluminum handle provides a solid, non-slip grip, making adjustments comfortable even during longer jobs. With a comprehensive selection of hex and Torx bits included, this torque wrench works as a complete, dependable solution for regular bike maintenance and precision assembly tasks.
Number 2. Pro Bike Tool Torque Wrench. The Pro Bike Tool Torque Wrench is built with simplicity, safety, and accuracy in mind, making it ideal for cyclists who want reliable torque control without complexity. Its 2 to 20 Newton-meter range covers most common bike fittings, while the audible click system helps prevent over-tightening by clearly signaling when the correct torque is reached. The spring-loaded locking collar keeps settings secure during use, reducing guesswork and mistakes. Calibrated to plus or minus 4% clockwise and plus or minus 6% counterclockwise, it provides dependable accuracy for sensitive components such as stems, seat posts, and brakes. The 72-tooth reversible ratchet head allows smooth operation in confined spaces, and the high-contrast NM scale ensures easy readability. Included hex and Torx bits, along with a long extension bar, make it versatile for hard-to-reach bolts. Overall, this torque wrench offers a balanced mix of precision, durability, and ease of use for everyday bike maintenance.
Number 3. YIYYEIE Torque Wrench. The YIYYEIE Torque Wrench stands out as a comprehensive master kit designed for users who want versatility alongside precision. Featuring an accuracy rating of plus or minus 3% and a torque range of 1 to 26 Newton-meters, it supports both delicate and moderate fastening tasks with confidence. The click-stop mechanism provides clear feedback when the preset torque is reached, helping protect components from over-tightening. Its 72-tooth reversible ratchet head and quick-release design make directional changes and socket swaps smooth and efficient. What truly sets this wrench apart is the extensive 50-piece accessory set, including hex, Torx, Phillips, slotted, and specialty bits, plus multiple adapters and extensions. This makes it suitable not only for bicycles, but also for broader mechanical and household tasks. Packaged in a protective storage case and supplied with a calibration certificate, the YIYYEIE Torque Wrench delivers strong value for users seeking precision, flexibility, and an all-in-one tool solution.
Number 4. Park Tool Torque Wrench. The Park Tool Torque Wrench is a solid, workshop-oriented tool built for reliability and consistent performance. Constructed from steel, it offers durability suited for frequent professional or home use. The dial-adjust click system allows users to preset their desired torque value with confidence, ensuring accurate and repeatable results during assembly and maintenance. Its adjustable mechanism provides flexibility for handling a range of torque requirements, making it useful for various bike components that demand precise tightening. The 3/8-inch ratcheting drive fitting adds strength and compatibility with standard sockets, appealing to mechanics who prefer a traditional, robust feel. Rather than focusing on accessories, this wrench emphasizes dependable operation and long-term durability. It is especially well-suited for riders or workshops that already have their own socket sets and want a trusted torque tool that delivers consistent results without unnecessary extras or complications.
Number 5. LIBRATON Torque Wrench. The LIBRATON torque wrench is a compact yet capable option tailored for bicycle maintenance and light mechanical tasks. With a 2 to 14 Nm working range and fine 0.1 Nm micro adjustments, it offers precise torque control for sensitive bike components. Pre-calibrated to plus or minus 3% accuracy, it helps prevent damage caused by over-tightening or loosening. The CRMO steel head ensures strength and durability, while the aluminum alloy handle provides a comfortable, non-slip grip during use. A clear, high-contrast scale and spring-loaded adjustment collar makes setting torque values straightforward. The wrench emits a clear click when the target torque is reached, giving reliable feedback. Included hex, Torx, and nut driver bits, along with a convenient roll bag, make it easy to carry for outdoor repairs. Overall, this torque wrench offers a practical blend of accuracy, build quality, and portability. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.